Hello guys, this video mention how to keep chicken during winter time. Now -5 degrees, so little bit freezing. As you see, we keep all our chicken inside. We wait until the temperature became maybe 0 +5, then we can go out the chicken. Go out inside the voliere. Now they stayed all inside. As you see, nobody outside. It's very important because we don't like our chicken will be frozen and will be damaged the legs. So, and now we have to check in out what's going on inside, how they feel it. It's more important. Even before you give him food or water, you have to check your chicken always, how they feeling. Okay, here we are. Now we came for a section number 1 to check how the chicken is feeling. Light already on. They still have water. They still have water with vitamins. Sometimes, like I said, we always give them garlic water. It's our spare cock, Billy Ferder. He's resting now. Brahma family. All still alive. One of the chicken already preparing to give some eggs, Brahma. Okay, we're not gonna disturb her. Other Brahma. Okay. For a while we keep them inside. When the temperature coming out a little bit more warmer, then we go out. Now we check other family. So, water nearly finished and food nearly finished. Food nearly finished. Okay, it's not very big tragic because now we go preparing the food. This is Billy Ferder family. I already mentioned this Germany type of the chicken, very good chicken. Now we're gonna check the egg section. Nothing. Okay, actually it's too early. As you see, our cock Peter, he's worried a little bit because I came over here. Okay, all chicken in a good condition, waiting for food and other things. Let's go for other section. Okay, it's other section. It's our spare cock, Maran. He's resting now. Still have some food. Also, still have some water. It's okay. Let's check the black Maran. Still have some food. Still have some water. It's okay. About eggs, I don't see any eggs yet. It will be later on. Okay, let's keep him inside. Other section with blue Maran. Water still have. The food, they still have the food. Up to now, no eggs. Eggs will be later on. Now we go for other section. The Faverolles chicken, French type. Faverolles. They still have food. They still have water. Everybody alive. No eggs. Will be later on. Okay. Also, other chicken. Okay, in this section we can see the giant. I do believe it's American type of the chicken. Jersey giant. Jersey giant. It's more biggest chicken in a wall from statistic. Jersey giant from Jersey. Okay, the family is still alive. Water inside. Food inside. Up to now, no eggs. This type of chicken, if I am not mistaken, American. They still have food, the water, but anyway later on all water will be changed. Every day we give him fresh water. Okay. In this section we keep our youngest chicken. So it's mixed, but they very young chicken. So still good condition. They eat. They're happy. It's more important. And now go for a last section. In the last section we have also different kind of chicken. Very small one. It's mixed. Still have food. Still have water. They're happy. Still alive. And thanks God for this. Okay guys, what I wanna say, always check your chicken. Never let them alone. Always hear how they're breathing, how they're feeling, how they eat. It's more important. It will be prevent more and more any unusual situation. If you see the chicken eat, drink, they're happy, so it means they're not sick. Later on, we give them fresh food. Give them fresh water, maybe garlic water, maybe water with vitamin C. And when the weather became warm, we let them go out for a fresh air. More important, because we don't want our chicken legs will be frozen. Like I said, outside now, -5 degrees. This is our small chicken house. Over here we keep our Brahma, our young Brahmas. Hello boys, it's a 3 cock. They're very young. As you see, we also keep them inside. There is still water, still food. Later on we give them the food. So everybody's still alive. Feel nice condition. And like I said, when the water became the temperature became good condition, we open the window and go out of this chicken to let them breathe the fresh air. So my message is, guys, always check your chicken, how they feeling, how they breathing, how they eat, how they drink. This is more important to prevent any sickness, any problems. So just later on you have very good result of this. I just check our thermometer. I don't know how does it look like. Yeah, I see -5, -4, something like this. But they promised -18. So we must be ready for this. -18, it's of course not so nice for chicken. Even -5, we keep them inside. So before -18, we must be ready also for this, to keep our chicken safe way. Okay, it was small videos about how they keep chicken during winter time. I hope this video was a little bit useful for you. If will be any questions, you can type the comments below. And I wish you a pleasant Sunday day. Be safe, be healthy, good luck, God bless. Valentin Mazurenko, live in a Russian village. Bye.